Greetings and salutation, creepy crawlers. It is I, the elusive because I am reclusive, Sobaire. Today I'm going to check out a nature reservoir. So let's go. Right. I'm at my destination, and what I'm hoping to see today is from what I could see on Google Earth. There's a drain on this reservoir, and it looks like it may go through a small hill, a tunnel. So that would be very cool. Okay, this is my location, and where that rocky area is where the beginning of the drain is. My options are either going to be this fence, or there's a drain entrance over here down in the ditch. I'm going to check that out. Yeah, I'm above the drain tunnel right now. Guess I'm going to have to go down there and check it out. I think from what I researched, it goes all the way through. It's kind of a drop. I don't know if those branches will hold me. They look pretty good. Alright, I'm going to do my best to film this. Oh, this is bad. Not good. Whoa! Okay, my exit strategy will be just going over the fence. Okay, almost. Okay, made it. Made it. Okay. Not that far. I'm losing my nerve, but we're gonna do this. All right. Alright, well, maybe just hopping the fence and taking the road trail would have been better. I'm here now. Okay, I'm up out of the ditch. And I'm up on the maintenance road, totally exposed. But we're gonna do it. It's a lot better than that thing. The one thing I was concerned about, or have evidence of, there are a lot of animal tracks. Okay. See, and those aren't dog prints. I found what I believe to be, those are deer prints. What I believe to be the trail to where I want to go. Kind of wish I would have brought my big stick with me. All right. Okay. Okay, good news. I think I found what I was looking for. That thing right there. All right. And it looks like there is a tunnel. I'm gonna get down here. Alright, well, this is looking pretty good. I'm just really hoping there's no creatures in the tunnel. Oh boy. Looks like I'll be going down the ladder. Okay, as you can see, it does go under the hill here, which is kind of cool. This is where I wish I had a GoPro camera so I could film me going up and down the ladder here and just look like Mr. Bitchin' Explorer guy. But I don't. I might try it with this. Okay, I successfully made it down the ladder. I wasn't even going to try and hold the camera because, no, too dangerous. Anyway, take a look at the artwork around here before we go in the tunnel. Had some water. Whew, I really hope there's nothing in there, like critters, animals, whatever. Okay, and it's starting to get hot. Okay. All right, I like this one. And bird nests. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is creepy. It's very different because you can see, well, here's wall, and up here it's the mountain. Weird. But yeah, I don't mind telling you, this is a bit freaky. There doesn't seem to be any graffiti or anything, like no one's been back here. What I'm worried about is bats, maybe a bear or something. I'm Mr. Chicken right now.
I think I'm getting the fear.
Even with the night vision, nothing is showing up. The darkness is so dense. I wish I would have brought my headlamp thing. All right, I think I see light coming out the other side. I hope so. Kind of freaking. But also loving it at the same time. Okay. Light ahead. Okay. Almost out. I don't mind telling you that was pretty creepy. The darkness was just so, I don't know, dense, solid. Never experienced that before. I've been had a lot on my mind lately, and I've put this place off for like probably a month. But I'm glad I got out today. Just woke up and I said, do not get on the computer, grab your gear and go. And here we are. The hippo. And there's some pretty cool artwork here. The last time I was here, when I came from the other direction, couldn't get down. There's a very tall ladder. I don't know if it's still here, but I'll keep my eye out for it. There are a lot of ants on the ground, so if I stop moving, the ants get me, which I'm sure they're going to. These things that I go to explore, this is where I get my confidence. This is I don't know, I guess therapy for me. I don't do well around people. I know, hard to believe, but anyway. So I'm gonna feel really good once I get this done. Feeling pretty good now. Oh, see, here's ladder from the wall, and they've cut these off to prevent people from going down here. And someone has tied a rope to it. Now the bad thing about that is if I need to get out quickly, I don't have a ladder to go up. Okay, really like that face. Let's see, here's the whole thing. And there's the ladder I was talking about. It takes some dedication to bring a ladder all the way down here. Not an easy task. Yeah, that's cool. See, I like drawings like that. Looks like we have another tunnel. Looks like we have another tunnel. Oh my gosh, look at this. Hang on. Okay, found a ladder, which is good to know. Okay, so I'm going down the tunnel, and I have not read the color on this camera's off. There we go. And I'm hearing crackling noises. It's been a while since I've done this, so I'm a little spooky. But let's go. Okay, first thing I do when I get home, I'm buying a much brighter light. So there's a bowling ball down here. Ew, I got dripped on. Oh, nasty, I want a shower. Okay, I'm seeing a little bit of light up there, but I think it's a manhole cover. Could be. Hello? Hi. Okay, I'm starting to see a little graffiti. I found some old graffiti that's cool, I think. Even though they spelled it wrong. All right, here's the out. And to my left above is a fire station, so I'm not gonna go out. I don't see any graffiti. I do see a watch. G-Shock. I think those are expensive. All right, be safe, buddy. Getting some coverage. All right. Okay. I need to time my things when I go in tunnels because it took me like, what, 30 or 40 minutes to get through this thing. The first time coming back, it took me 10 or 15. Yep. Time to hydrate and head back to the car. Freaking lizard. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. You can see my photography at Sobaire Photography on Facebook, Sobaire. And until then, stay creepy.